45 tsaka 8 Reyes.
First game. First match is Papa Balls versus Mechanic Squad. All Filipino Cup. Season, may basketballista. First five, Papa Balls.
Ang lalaki yung natanggal sa ako ng nanay ko.
Bato.
Yata.
Bato.
Binta mo yan.
Lakaw mo baka.
Nagalitang din din sinasabi.
Di Pilipinas?
Ball game. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Official referee, it's referee Jomong and referee Manuel. It's Mechanic Squad versus Papa Balls. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First position of the Papa Balls. Now Alonso. Arroyo. Yes, first basket shot on Arroyo. It's 2-0. Favor of Papa Balls. Reyes. Too strong. Rebound on Alonso. Alonso to Biray. Biray. Two jumps. The cupping jumps. Too strong. Rebound on CJ. Now CJ to Putsalan. Right, Putsalan side step. Reyes again. Reyes. One shot coming from Reyes. Pass from Putsalan. It's 2-all. It's Mechanic Squad against Papa Balls. Now Biray. Long two, long three. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Biray. 5-2. 3-point lead now on the Papa Balls. Yes, drive, strong drive coming by CJ. Now 4-5, 1-point lead back to Papa Balls. Now Biray again to Arroyo. Arroyo stop, too strong. Arroyo again, fake. Arroyo, rebound on Reyes, Makalalad. Makalalad looking for Arroyo. Arroyo again, block. It's two rumbling violation against Arroyo. It's still 4-5. Now Bartolome, the assassin, Putsalan. Looking for Reyes. Back to Putsalan. Reyes to Putsalan. Too strong. Rebound again by Reyes. Now back to Putsalan. Putsalan, fake. Putsalan, boom. Nice pass. Reyes. Short. Reyes again. Nice defense na Arroyo. Reyes fake. Foul. Foul on number 12. On Arroyo. First on Arroyo. First team foul on the Papa Balls. Now 5-all. Your first deadlock of the game. It's 5-all. Rebound again by Reyes. 40 set clock. Reyes to Reyes. Looking for CJ. Now Bartolome. Downside. Reyes strong move against short. Reyes again fake. Yes on Reyes. Now 7-5. It's 2-point lead now. Mechanic Squad. Arroyo to Arroyo. Arroyo again, favorite move. Arroyo, nice pass! Short by Alonso. Now Reyes. Stop up, short. Basket call on Reyes. Now 9-5. It's 4-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Now Jobs. Short. Alonso. Bartolome. 2-on-1. Bartolome. Block. Alan CJ. Foul. Palon Biray. Time out. On Pavos.
First Biray, second team foul.
Ulit kayo, palit. Doon ka, Manel. Pala, doon kabila. Kabila.
Back to the ball game. Two free throw shot for CD. It's 9-5. 4-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Short.
Early.
Now 10 against 5. 5-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Arroyo. Pass to Biray. Long 3 by Biray. Too strong. Liban by Punsalan. Punsalan. Bartolome. Pass again by Reyes. Now CJ. Too strong. Biray to Makalalad. Stop up. Makalalad first basket. Too strong. Liban by CJ. Intercepted by Alonso. Now Makalalad. Drive. Jobs. First basket. Short again. Jobs. Fake. Jobs. Again. Top. Makalalad to Bartolome. Punsalan. All the way on Punsalan. It's 12-5. 7-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Foul number 19 on Bartolome. First on Bartolome. First team foul on Mechanic Squad. Now Biray. Jumps. Can shoot. It's red ball. Time out on Mechanic Squad. Well, to 5 our score, 12 against 5. 7-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Five minutes, 11 seconds. First game, first match. It's Mechanic Squad against the Papa Balls. For our all Filipino Cup, basketballista. Bartolome, steal on Jobs. Looking for Arroyo. Makalalad. Reyes, Biray. Air ball against Biray. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Reyes, guarded by Alonso, short. Now, Punsalan. Short again, top. Rebound on Makalalad. Now, Biray. Gamit ni Punsalan. Foul. Foul on Punsalan.
First, second team.
First on Punsalan. First team foul. Second team foul on Mechanics Squad. 6 against 12. It's 6-point lead. Mechanics Squad. In and out. Ipan by CJ. Now CJ. Punsalan, open jump. Again, too strong. Now Arroyo. Arroyo, foul. Foul on CJ. 13 foul on Mechanics Squad. First personal foul on CJ. 3 minutes and 50. Biray. CJ. Biray. Again, short. Now Bartolome. 1-1. Bartolome. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Now turnover. On Mechanics Squad, it's 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Now Arroyo. Arroyo, fake. Arroyo jump, short. Iba Punsalan. Punsalan to CJ. Now CJ. CJ drives. CJ goes to goal. On CJ. 46. It's 8-point lead. Mechanics Squad. Jumps. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On jumps. 14-8. Back to 6-point lead on Mechanics Squad. Short. Rebound by Japs. Now Japs. Japs na. Japs looking for Biray. Still by CJ. CJ. Now Bartolome, the assassin Bartolome, go Bartolome, short up, Makalalan. To Biray. Too strong. Rebound on the assassin to Gen Punsalan, 1-1 by Arroyo, Punsalan, bang! Great move coming from Punsalan. 16-8. Foul on number 16. Number 36 on Biray. First on Biray, second on the Papa Balls. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. It's Papa Balls versus Mechanics Squad. Rebound on Arroyo. Now Arroyo to Makalalan. Jumps again, same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, jumps. 16-11, it's 5-point lead on Mechanics Squad. 2 minutes. Reyes. Favorite shot, top. CJ rebound. 14 shot clock. Reyes to Punsalan. Now Reyes. Again, short, iba by Jobs. Now Jobs. 1-1 by CJ. Looking for Alonso. Biray. Galing by Reyes. Biray. Too strong with Biray. It's your red ball. Mechanics Squad. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now Reyes to Punsalan. Punsalan, nice pass, pick up again, Reyes to Reyes. Reyes from Upa. Foul on number 12 on Arroyo.
Second personal foul.
Second on Arroyo. 13 foul against Papa Balls. CJ. Top. It's Papa Balls ball, Papa Balls. 1 minute. Now Biray. Looking for Arroyo, guard by CJ. Pass to Makalalan. Makalalan to Job. Same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Jobs. 3 in a row by Japs. 16 to 14. It's 2-point lead Mechanic Squad. 35 seconds. Reyes to Reyes. Napunsalan mo pa. Foul again on number 12. On Arroyo. Warning for penalty on Papa Bulls. 17 to 14. It's 3-point lead back to Mechanic Squad. 28 seconds. Now 18-14. 4-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Alonso. Makalalad. 14 to shoot. Chops. 10. Makalalad. Short, tap. Makalalad again. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Reyes. Warning for penalty on Mechanic Squad. 2 seconds. 15-18. It's 3-point lead Mechanic Squad. Last free throw on Makalalad. Now 16-18. And now for our first quarter, our score. It's 18 to 16. 2-point lead on Mechanic Squad. This game is brought to you by Core Sports, Gatorade, and Basketballista. Second quarter ready, second quarter. And still we're live on the Facebook page. It's Mechanic Squad Ball, Mechanic Squad.
Jab, short. Wala shorts. Plus 5 tayo. Shorts.
Kulang sila player.
Sir, third quarter pa tayo, sir. Relax. Third quarter pa tayo. Shorts tayo, shorts.
Hey, shirt mo daw. Shirts. Shirt mo.
Ha?
Oo nga.
Shorts tayo, sir. Shorts tayo.
Plus 5 tayo, sir. Plus 5 tayo. O hindi makalaro. Nasa rules natin yan, sir. Plus 5, walang jersey. O, plus 5 tayo. Mechanic Squad. Now, Titores. Fernandez. Short. Nice defense, foul. First team foul, first on Papa Balls.
Wala ba fire doon dito? Boss Mike? Wala ko fire doon dito.
Rebound on Santos. Now Soto. Back to Soto. Miray. Open jump, bang! On Miray. 18-23. Back to 5-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Di Torres. Umakot. Air ball. Now rebound ang balitan. Take to shoot.
Fernandez.
Cañedo. Umakot. 5. Rebound again on Balitan. Yes, on Balitan. 25-10. Back to 7-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Biray, fake. Biray, bang! On Biray. It's 25-21. 4-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Di Torres. Cardinal Biray. Now, Cañedo, 1-1. Cañedo, nice pass. Fernandez, looking for Balitaan. Open jump to Balitaan. Too strong. Rebound Di Torres. Di Torres, looking for Omagov. 10 to shoot. Di Torres. Too strong. Biray, rebound to Santos. 1-1. To Santos move. Santos. Too strong again. Rebound on Santos. Santos. Still on rebound. Now Omagov. It's 3-2. Omagov, pull out jumper. Omagov, short. Rebound on Balitaan. Balitaan, back to Omagov. Now Omagov to Di Torres. Again, too strong. Balitaan. Omagov. 10 to shoot. Steal. On Biray. 1-1 by Biray. Fake Biray. It's 23-25, 2-point lead of Mechanic Squad. 7 minutes. Balitaan. Di Torres, Omagov. Back to Di Torres, 10 to shoot. Omagov. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Omagov. 28-23. Back to 5-point lead. On, turnover on Papabols. Mechanic Squad. 28-23. Cañedo, foul. Foul on Eugenio. Time out. On the Papabols. It's 28 against 23.
Si Soto ibabaw. Depensa si ibabaw sila talaga nila. Sila, nakaprap.
Six minutes and 40 seconds. Two free throw shots for Cañedo.
Yung 16. Yung walang shorts.
Nako.
Maki.
Nako.
Nakwa.
It's 29 against 23. Now Soto. Lagi by Di Torres. Biray. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Biray. 29-26. It's 3-point lead now. Mechanic Squad. Omagov. Balitaan. Out. Struggling violation on Balitaan. Nice defense on Eugenio. 6 minutes and 10. Time out on Mechanic Squad. And now time out is brought to you by Core Sports, Basketballista, Mechanic Squad, and the Papabols.
Patay naman yan, patay naman yan. Hindi naman. Patay naman tayo oras, walang nabawasan.
Only 3-point lead on Mechanic Squad. It's 29 against 26. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Now Soto. Now Soto drives. Soto sidestep. Soto again, too strong. Top. Balitaan. Omagov. Now Omagov. Omagov, nice speed take. Omagov take to Fernandez. Can be Biray. Omagov. Too strong. Top. Rebound on Fernandez. Fernandez again. Hook shot. Too strong again. Top. Rebound. On Balitaan. Balitaan. 14 seconds shot clock. Cañedo. Cañedo. Black. It's double violation. It's troubling violation on Cañedo. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Nakwa. Biray, 1-1 by Balitaan. Now Soto. Soto sa new play. Santos, short, top. Now, Di Torres. Di Torres, 1-1 by Soto. Torres to Cañedo. Cañedo, strong goal! Foul! Foul on number 36.
Biray?
On
Biray? Nakwa? 16. Nakwa?
first, second team foul on Papa Balls. 5 minutes. Only 26 against to 29 on Mechanic Squad. Now Soto. Pass to Eugenio. Now 1-point lead. Oh, Mechanic Squad, it's 29 against to 26. It's 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Cañedo, Di Torres, air ball. It's Papa Balls now. Papa Balls, 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Biray, Santos, still by Balitan. Now Umahov. Foul. Foul on Nakwa. Third team foul against Papa Balls.
Nakwa first.
29-28. Umahov. Air ball again. It's a ball. 12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot.
Huli. Come.
10. It's boxing violation. 3 minutes and 53 seconds.
Mama, sakit na. Kapit bola. Tayo nakita.
3 minutes and 53 seconds.
May live yan. Kita-kita kayo.
28 against the 29. Now Santos. Biray, Gardi Balitan. Oh, he's still by Balitan. Now 4 on 3. Di Torres. 6 out. Di Torres. Foul.
Nakwa?
Who's fouled up?
Nakwa. 16.
Foul on 16 on Nakwa. Warning for penalty.
Nakwa 7.
On the Papa Balls. Warning on Nakwa. Warning for penalty on Papa Balls. Warning for penalty. Second on Nakwa. Di Torres. Balitaan. Ouch, too strong. Now Soto. Soto to Santos. Back to Soto. Biray. Soto, 14 to shoot. Biray, open jump. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Biray, it's 31 to 29. 1-2-point lead now on the Papa Balls. Cañedo. Umbagog. Fernandez, yes on Fernandez, 31 all. It's 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Biray. Another shot, Biray. Too strong. Rebound on Cañedo. Now Cañedo to Fernandez. Back to Cañedo. Cañedo. In and out top. Now Di Torres. Di Torres top. 3-second violation on Fernandez. It's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 31 all. This is just our first game on first match. It's Papa Balls versus Mechanic Squad. Soto. Still on Balitan. Balitan, go to go Balitan. Open jump, yes on Balitan. 32 to 31. Nakwa. Again, nice fake. Grab, Eugenio. Eugenio strong, too strong top. Iba ng Balitan. Baita now. Turnover on Mechanic Squad. It's 33-31. 2-point lead, Mechanic Squad. Soto. Soto drive, looking for Biray. Back to Santos. Eugenio, bang! Oh, Eugenio. Pass coming from Santos. 33 all. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Sorry.
Now, Di Torres. Umagob. Fake. Back to Balitaan. Nice fake. Still again by Santos. Soto. Now Soto, 1-1. Biray, open jump. Biray. Too strong. Pow. Foul on number 1 on Umagob. First team foul on Mechanic Squad. First personal foul on Umagob. 57 seconds. Nakwa. Biray. 10 to shoot. Santos game. Santos. Bang! Basket come and 1 against Santos. Foul on number 27 on Balitaan. First on Balitaan. Second team foul against Mechanic Squad. Balon Fernandez. Fernandez to Di Torres. 40 seconds. Foul.
36.
Penalty, penalty.
36.
Foul on Soto.
Soto. First on Soto.
First on Soto. 37 seconds.
Soto. Soto ba? Reyes.
34 against 235. Only 1 point lead on the Pamables. Still by Umagob. Di Torres. It's 2-1. Di Torres play. Cañedo! Too strong. Balitaan. Still by Santos. Santos to Soto. Looking for Eugenio. Nanag by Eugenio. Fernandez. It's 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Eugenio foul. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Eugenio. Foul on Cañedo. First on Cañedo. Third team foul on Mechanic Squad. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 5. $37-34. It's 3-point lead on the Pamables. $37-34. It's only 3-point lead on the Pamables.
Bawas tayo, Sir John, bawas. Bawas. Sige. Bawas. Kunin mo bawas.
Tapos na yung oras, ba't ka magwa-warning? Mali nyo eh. Hindi naman namin mali. Kinukomplain lang namin yung mali nyo. warning. Wala tayo sa laro. Bawal mag... Ano bang play mo? Hindi po pwede. Paano hindi po pwede? Sir. Oo nga. Ano ba tanong ko lang? Bakit mo warning siya?
Okay na.
Kasi tuloy po yun. Hindi. Kasi warning pa lang yung signal. Deadpool na eh. Deadpool na natural. Magpo-complain kami. Hindi sa
Ayos, relax yun. Manuel. Ayos yun. Ay, palit na kayo. Jomong, doon ka. Doon ka. Palit kayo, Jomong. Palit kayo, doon ka. Manuel. Doon ka, Manuel. Jomong. Relax sila. Sir, bawas muna tayo, sir. Balance yun. Bawas muna tayo. Bawas lang. Bawas na, sir. Di kunuha yung buo. Bawas lang tayo, ha? Kasi last 2 games nyo to. Last 2 games sa last game. Bawas muna tayo bago simula tayo third quarter, okay? Simple lang yan, sir. Bawas. Di ko kinuha yung total balance nyo. Bawas lang tayo. Ang kabila, sir. Tapos na. Bayad na. Kayo na lang. Balance. Bawas lang tayo konti.
Sir, kailangan natin urasan para hindi kami masayang dito na naghihintay. Kailangan niya ano, sir. Mahirap naman yung kami lang naghihintay, sir.
Parehas kayo. Ikaw, wala ka nang hinigay.
Hindi, mamaya muna. Wala pa sila.
Five minutes tayo. 2 minutes. Bawas tayo, sir. Kahit konti, sir. Di natin buo. Magkano bibigay nyo, okay lang yan. Di ko ginawa buo nyo. Bawas lang tayo. Last game nito, last game. Dapat kompleto na sana kayo. Bawas lang tayo. Lahat kayo, sir, manlalaro. Alam nyo yan. Hindi ko kinuha ang buo nyo. Balance nyo. Bawas lang tayo konti. Hindi ko kinuha. Lapitan. Parang ba?
Third quarter tayo, third quarter.
Kasi sabi na sila yun. Bayad na raw sana.
Third quarter na, sir.
It's mechanic squad ball, mechanic squad.
Ano ba?
It's 37-34. 3-point lead on the Papa Balls. Third quarter. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's Papa Balls versus Mechanic Squad. Inbounding Reyes to Bartolome. Now Bartolome. Unsalan. Tap. Inbound on Papa Balls. Now Santos. Alonso. Cachichurena. 10 to shoot. Ibanon Gumiran. Bartolome. CJ. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On CJ. 37 all. 9 minutes. Still on. Mechanic squad. Punsalan. Nice defense on Punsalan. And 2. 39 to 37. Cachichurena. Nice pass. Santos. Santos to Alba. Alba. Yes on Alba. 39 all. It's 8 minutes and 40 seconds. CJ. Same spot. Short. Punsalan. 14 seconds shot clock. It's turnover on Mechanic squad. 8 minutes and 20. Cachichurena. Suela. Back to Cachichurena. Looking for Alba. Alba too strong. Short foul. Foul on number 10. On Punsalan.
Punsalan second.
Second on Punsalan. First on Mechanic squad. Cachichurena. Looking for Santos. Suela. 10 to shoot. Ikan again by Alba. Set clock. Santos. 10 to shoot. Still again on Punsalan. Punsalan. Looking for CJ. Now CJ guarded by Alba. Alba. Looking for shot. Reyes. Top. Reyes to Mylan. Foul. Who's ball left? Foul on Suela. First on Suela. First team foul against Papa Bulls. Now 40 against the 39. It's 1 point lead Mechanic squad. Rebound on Alonso. Now Cachichurena. Alba. Guarded by CJ. Cachichurena. Open jump. Suela, 10 to shoot. It's turnover again on the Papa Balls in 7 minutes. Now, Punsalan. Back to CJ. Now, pass outside again. Still, same ball. It's 14 to shoot. 14. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 40 against 39. 1 point in the Mechanic squad. Bartolome, 10 to shoot. It's 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 25. Five. Alba. 1-1 by Punsalan. Black by Punsalan. Top. Alba again. Alba 1-1 by Punsalan. Santos. Santos to Cachichurena. Cachichurena fake. Cachichurena drive. Cachichurena. It's troubling violation. Troubling. 6 minutes. Only 1 point lead on Mechanic squad. Now, Bartolome. Right, Bartolome to Punsalan, short. Rebound on Alba, Alba. Now it's 3-on-1. Alba, pass to Santos. Now, 41 to 40. 1 point lead on the Papa Balls. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Now, again on Bartolome. Looking for Punsalan. Reyes. Gumiran. Wow! What a play coming from Mechanic Squad. It's 42 against 41. Kasiturena. Nice steal on Mechanic Squad. CJ short. Rebound on Alonso. Alba. 1-1 tayo Punsalan. Alba to Santos. Santos. 14 to shoot. Alonso. Back to Santos. Kasiturena. Short.
Oh.
It's Alonso. Top. Now Kasiturena again. Fake. Kasiturena side. Santos. Short again. Rebound on Mechanic Squad. It's Bartolome. 3 on 2. Bartolome to Reyes. Reyes got by Alonso. Reyes drive. Reyes. Bam! Foul on number 24 on Santos. Substitution up.
Santos second.
Second on Santos.
Second team.
Second team foul on the Papa Bulls.
Sino? Stop.
Basket substitution there. Basket substitution. Short. Rebound on Arroyo.
Nice.
Carried by Gumiran. Now Arroyo. Drive. Move. Arroyo. Too strong. Rebound by Cañedo. Now Cañedo to CJ. Looking for Bartolome. Now Bartolome goes. Pass. Nice pass. Bartolome. Short. Again by Reyes. Reyes again. Foul.
Stop.
Foul on number 12. Arroyo. Substitution up.
Arroyo third.
Third on Arroyo. 13 foul against the Papa Bulls. 42 against the 41. Only 1 point lead on Mechanic Squad. Two free throw shot for Reyes. Now 43 to 41. 2 point lead on Mechanic Squad. 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Rebound ang Gumiran. Cañedo. Block. Foul. Foul on Suela. Second on Suela. Warning for penalty on the Papa Bulls. Short. 3 minutes and 52 seconds.
Isa lang, Kanyedo, isa lang. Kanyedo! Dami na naman!
Short. Rebound on Soto.
Regner Wilson.
Kachiturena. It's traveling violation. Traveling. Substitution. Stop. Bartolome out. Di Torres in. It's 43 against 41. Di Torres. Umbakot, open jump, air ball. Tap by Gumiran. It's Papa Bulls. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Soto. Foul. Foul on Cañedo. Second team foul on Mechanic Squad. Soto.
Cañedo second.
Kachiturena. Black. Bayong-bagong. Whoa! Alba now 43 all. It's 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Reyes. Pass to Cañedo. Back to Reyes. Now Soto. Soto to Kachiturena. Nice pass. Alba is still on. Umakomaw. De Torres. Zigzag. Drive. De Torres. Fake. De Torres. Too strong again. Rebound. It's Papa Bulls ball. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 43 all. 43. Soto to Alba. Alba hesitate. Carried by Gumiran. Arroyo. Rep. 10 to shoot. High. Short. Rebound by Umbaco. Turnover again on Mechanic Squad. It's 1 minute and 56 seconds. Time out. On the Papa Bulls, it's 43 all. 1 minute and 56 seconds. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Rock Bank UA. One minute and 56 seconds. This is just our first game, first match. It's Mechanic Squad versus the Papa Bulls, our all Filipino Cup. Season 5 by Basketballista Soto. Nachichuren, ha? Now Suela. 14 to shoot. Arroyo. Again, too strong. Di pa may Reyes. Reyes to Di Torres. Now Di Torres to Cañedo. Cañedo drive. Cañedo! 45 to 43. It's 2-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Soto. Still again. Umako. 1-on-1 by Umako. Pow! Foul on Suela. Third personal foul on Suela. Now, Papa Bulls and penalty. Shot into Sudab. Rep. One minute, 11 seconds. Only 2-point lead of Mechanic Squad. 45 against the 43. Now 46 against the 43. 3-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Now, Cañedo. Good. Torres. Time to shoot. Short. CJ again. Time to shoot. 3-second violation on CJ. It's 52 seconds. 52. Bang! On Alba. It's 45 against the 46. 1-point lead on Mechanic Squad. 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. CJ. Short. Top. Rebound by Soto. It's 22 seconds. 22. 14 to set shot clock. 14. Gumiran. CJ. Rebound ang Cañedo. Top. Gumiran again. Top. Soto. Down. Good to Durana. 5 seconds. And now for third quarter our score. Now 47-46. It's 1-point lead on the Papa Bulls. What a game for tonight. It's Papa Bulls versus the Mechanic Squad. Fourth quarter. It's Papa Bulls ball. Papa Bulls. Last quarter.
Makalat. So,
Last quarter, Biray. Makalalan. Fouled by Di Torres. Makalalan to Biray. Biray. Open jump. Biray. Too strong short. Tap. Makalalan. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes to Bartolome. Bartolome. 47-46. CJ. Back to Bartolome. 14 to shoot. CJ drive. CJ goes to goal. CJ. In and out. Top. Chops. Kalibe balitaan. Now Makalalan. Kalibe balitaan. Now Biray again. In and out. Di balitaan. Balitaan. To Bartolome. Bartolome. Kalibe Makalalan. Bartolome. Now 14 to shoot. Rebound on Alonso. Now Biray, only one. Biray, guarded by two. Biray. Guarded by, oh, nice defense on Bartolome. It's 9 minutes. Last quarter. Biray. 14 to shoot. Air ball. Whoa! Nakwa! 49-46, 3-point lead on the Papa Bulls. As CJ, again in and out by CJ Makalalan. Makalalan. To Biray, nice fake, Biray pa. Foul on CJ. Substitution direct.
CJ second.
Second personal foul on CJ. First on Mechanics squad. Inbound yung Makalalan. Biray to Alonso. Alonso back to jumps. Open jump fake. 10 to shoot. It's Mechanic squad ball. 8 minutes. Now Bartolome.
Yeah. Reyes.
Wow! Basket count and one on Reyes.
Ang gamot. Hello.
7 minutes 49 seconds. First team foul on the Papa Bulls. Foul on Makalalan. 49-48. Rebound on Nakwa. Makalalan. Back to Nakwa. Makalalan again. 14 to shoot. Biray. Fake. Nice move by Biray. Air ball. Rebound Makalalan. Again in and out. Rebound Makalalan. Top. Foul. Foul on Alonso.
Alonso first.
First on Alonso. Second team foul on the Papa Bulls. Reyes. Back to Bartolome. Now De Torres. Open jump. De Torres in and out. Rebound by CJ. It's a ball. 7 minutes. 14 sets sa clock. 14. Reyes. CJ, 10 to shoot. Bartolome. Cañedo. Foul on number 17 on Nakwa. 15. 16. 13 foul on the Papa Bulls.
Nakwa third.
Wala pa. Diretso kasi mag-sub kayo eh. Paalam na kayo.
Nakwa third.
Balik mo na.
Basket substitution direct. Basket sub. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Substitution. Now 49 all. This is a 50th of the game. 59 all. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Alonso. Now Makalan, 14 to shoot. Chops, short, Alonso. Wow! Black 10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. Chops, 5 to shoot.
Makalan.
Now Magov, 6 minutes.
Sige lang, pre. Sige lang.
Di Torres.
Bang bang.
Bang! On Di Torres. It's 51 to 49.
Paalam kayo dito, paalam kayo.
Oh, no! Grabe!
It's time out on the Pababol. 6:51-49. 2-point lead on the Mechanic squad. Five minutes and 39 seconds. Only 2-point lead on Mechanic squad. Now Bartolome. This is our first game for our All-Filipino Cup. It's Papa Balls versus Mechanic squad. Makop to Reyes. Now Cañedo drive, Cañedo strong up. Bang! Oh, Cañedo! Now 53 to 49, 4-point lead on Mechanic squad. Alba, 1-1 by Di Torres. Alba drive, Alba looking for Santos, Santos, 14 to shoot. Oh, tap and deny. Now Di Torres. Di Torres bomb. In and out, Di Torres again. Fake. Bang! On Di Torres. Now 55-49, 6-point lead on Mechanic squad. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Soto, 1-1 by Cañedo. Soto side step. Block by Umagov. Now Cañedo. Looking for Di Torres. 4 minutes and 30. Now Bartolome. Drive, go, Bartolome. In and out. Rebound by Soto. Soto. To Biray. Looking for Alba.
Alba.
In and out, Alba. In there again. Foul.
Umakov.
Foul on number 1 on Umagov. Sabi to send up, stop.
Umakov second.
Second on Umagov. Second team foul, Mechanic squad. It's 4 minutes and 13 seconds. 55 against 249. Suela. Soto, 10 to shoot. Short. Now Umagov. Reyes. To Bartolome. Still on Biray. Yes, on Biray. It's 51-55. What 4-point lead on the Mechanic squad. CJ. Kadibay na ko. To Reyes. Umagov. Di Torres. In and out. Now Soto. 3 minutes and 30.
Oh my goodness.
Soto guarded by Di Torres. Now Soto winning over CJ. Soto drive, Soto skate. Looking for Santos, Santos fake. 10 to shoot. Short. Reyes. 3 minutes and 10. Now Di Torres. Umagov. 1-1. Bartolome. Back to Reyes. Di Torres pa. 1-1 by In and out, rebound on Soto. It's 3 minutes. Time out on Mechanic Squad. It's 55 to 51. 4-point lead on Mechanic Squad. It's only 4-point lead on Mechanic Squad. 55 against to 49. All by Mechanic Squad. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Ay, dalawa tayo ba't pa ako na?
Ano lang.
Ay, dyan na lang.
Dapat gamitin mo lahat.
Ha?
Di mo dapat gamitin mo. Dalawa lang sa fourth quarter. Dalawa sa fourth
Ay, hindi
quarter.
pa nagkikiro-over yun.
Ay, ngayon ka nang tagal-tagalan natin.
CJ! Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, CJ! 58 to 51 now, 7-point lead of Mechanic Squad. It's 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Alba! Nice pass outside to Mirai. Wala mo by Alba to Mirai. 53 to 58. 5-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Reyes! Back to Bartolome. Looking for Reyes. 1-1. Reyes! Pa! Out on number 16 on Nakwa. Warning for penalty on the Pakabols.
Nice! Nice!
59 against the 53.
Aquafort.
Fourth on Nakwa. Warning on Nakwa.
Wala pa nagtanong. Wala pa nagtanong para boys.
40 to shoot.
Easy on.
Time out. Time out kayo isa.
10.
Jack, isa na lang. Isa na lang. Nag-time out ka na kami 5 minutes.
5.
Nice, Ter!
Wow.
Isa na lang, Jabs. Nag-time out kayo, Jabs.
Who's ball up? Penalty to left. Penalty.
Dalawa.
It's 59 to 53. 6-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Basket timeout. Basket substitution there, rep. Basket substitution.
Priya, wag na. Austria, wag na.
Foul.
Wala pa silang talo.
Foul on Punsalan. Substitution left sub.
Unsalan, third.
Third on Punsalan. 13 foul on Mechanic Squad. Both teams now, 1 time out left. Last 2 minutes. Alba. Steal by Reyes. Now Reyes. Looking for Punsalan. Drive. In and out, top. Magalalad. Now Magalalad. Magalalad, pull out jumper, short. Kapay Nakwa. Back to Magalalad. Steal. Now CJ. Now Soto. Soto, Mirai, open jump, back, Mirai. In and out, top. Now Bartolome. Reyes. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Reyes to Magom. Punsalan.
Nagreklamo na yung James.
Nice defense of Mirai. 14 to shoot. It's 1 minute and 9 seconds. Sub.
Muntik na nag-bounce yung laptop.
Substitution left.
Hindi na kaya ito naggamit eh.
Warning na nga, di na ka maglaro susunod Punsalan, ha?
Hindi naman yung sinasadya.
Buti yung tripod.
Last game mo na, Punsalan.
1 minute. Alba. Steal by De Torres. De Torres. Oh, you know. Out. Santos. 50 seconds.
Pre mo na, Tres!
Alba.
Tres, mira!
Biray.
Renga!
Ay nanot. Now Bartolome. 40 seconds. Now CJ. 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. 24 seconds. 5 seconds. 16 seconds. 16. Arroyo. Alba. It's 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
Seconds yan.
5.
Shoot mo na.
And we have a ball game. It's Mechanic Squad. 59 against the 53.